Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ROG phone and I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to start, hold the power button and now hold power off till this message pops up. Reboot device and reboot to safe mode. Tap OK to confirm and wait for the device to reboot. Now as you can see on the bottom, the device is now in safe mode. To leave the safe mode, you can just reboot the device one more time and it will be back to normal. So let's do restart. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.